I'm Lynn Tang, today with Sulhi, Azman and Charlotte Chong. And today, Charlotte brings us Insider Asia's stock of the day, which is none other than Bursa Malaysia Bhd.
Yeah, well, we all know what Bursa Malaysia does. They regularly exchange related facilities like listing and trading. And Insider Asia likes this stock because they say it's a natural choice for defensive yield stock. They like the resilient business model, good corporate governance, and long-term growth prospect. But anyway, they actually think that earnings for this year is not going to be significant because of the market uncertainty in the market. Like a lot of people, they are holding back their investment. They are not investing in the equity market. But anyway, they are still bright. They are still positive on this stock because of the medium to long-term prospects. Bursa Malaysia has some 289 million cash on hand. While it didn't declare a special dividend this year, but there's a possibility for them to have a future cash distribution. Stock trades a fair value of PE 20.8 times. If you compare with its global peers average at about 21.7 times. So it's slightly cheaper than its global peers. Last year, dividend total at 34 cents per share, giving a higher than market average yield of 4.3%. Now, three things to take away for Bursa Malaysia. 289 million cash possibility for future cash distribution, one thing, and fair valuation at 20.8 times compared with global peer 21.7 times. Dividend yield of 4.3%, and let's see if they would sustain the yield this year.
Well, actually, amidst all that, right, what caught me was just the yield and the cash.
Yeah, but at the same time, they have a very strong cash positions, which they could actually use to reward the shareholders. At the same time, if you look at the yield, yeah, it's a natural defensive yield stock. But the market sentiments now has been really battered down. Are they impacted really heavily?
Yes, I believe so.
I believe so.
But the thing is, when we look at second quarter result, the result actually went up. Revenue went up 3.14%, profit actually went up 5.6%. So it's not a huge leap, but we still see some ongoing progression, as in it's not going down, thank God. But like what I said just now, investors are holding back their investments. They are not putting money into the equity market. And when we look at the foreign investors, they are actually pulling out money from the local equity market. So going forward, I'm pretty cautious about these stocks, but Insider Asia say for mid and long-term prospect, they are still quite positive on this.
I think the takeaway is like it or not, Bursa Malaysia is here to stay. It's a local stock exchange, right?
Correct.
I mean, how many other players are there in Malaysia besides Bursa Malaysia?
It's the only one, and the very interesting thing to note is that they use the word sanguine on the medium to long-term prospects.
Right. Thank you for that, Charlotte.
Thanks.